I wanna play a game. There is only one key to open the door, and 5 people in this room. Questions are in the stomach of your dead teacher. Live or die. Make your choice. Assessment Part 2.
Help me! Help me! Help me!
Help me! Help me! Help! No one can hear you!
I can hear you.
We need to get questions.
From his stomach?
I guess. I don't know.
Okay. Let's do that.
Is he dead? I don't care.
Look, is this a shoe?
I found a bubble gum, look.
Oh, that's mine.
What else do we have here?
Look.
Whoa, what is this?
Oh no. Only one question.
Question number 1. What part of your body are you most uncomfortable with? Think carefully. You will find next question somewhere there.
Interesting.
I'm most uncomfortable with my hands.
With my blonde hair.
Me too.
But my boobs.
Me too. What? I have 3 boobs. Big boobs.
Oh, I know. Where the next question is? Yeah, me too.
Where? Where?
I will survive.
Girls, stop! What are you doing? It was a joke! It was a joke!
So sad.
He has no boobs?
Because he's a boy.
We have next question.
Question number 2. What colors do most colorblind people not see?
All of them.
Of course not. They are unable to fully see red, green, or blue lights.
How do you know that?
Because my Barbie doll is colorblind.
Find the rainbow. It will help you.
Are you colorblind? No. No. Me too.
I know the colors of the rainbow.
What color is it?
Red. What color is it?
Green. What color is it?
Uh-oh. I know. I see. It's blue. Yes.
What color is it?
Hello, hi dear. Me too. Uh-oh.
Next question. How many days in the shortest month of the year? Spoiler alert. There are more than 10.
Great! Great! Okay, girls. Bye. See you next live.
Why did she do that?
I don't know.
Question number 4. Tell me about your craziest Valentine's Day memory.
Is your body from McDonald's?
What?
Because I'm really loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba!
Is that your question?
No, just interesting. Question is, what makes you get out of bed in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. What about you?
I go to bed at 6 a.m. every morning. Listen to me. We can both survive.
Yes, you're right. We can help each other.
You are so smart girl. And I'm pretty girl.
No, I'm prettier than you are.
The last question. Who is your favorite English teacher?
I'm a winner, of course. Art.
What?
My kung fu lesson is finished. Let's go home.
Okay.
Baba duk, baba duk.
It was Stranger English Channel.
If you like it,
Please feel free to subscribe.
But if not,
I play game